go, here goes big rigs. What is the sound? Wait a minute. There is no sound. Where is the sound? Let's go to. Yeah, normal. Sound. Yeah, done. Forever. There is no sound, but it doesn't matter. Let's try going through objects. Yeah, here we go. Stop your big rigs, yeah. Let's go on reverse. Let's go reverse. Hey. There's no sound, I don't know why. So James was right. The counter spins over and over. We're going out of the boundary. Fuck. Enough with this shit.